Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Musa Mohammed. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification icon so as to get an update when I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an estate. It's called SIL Estate. Well, SIL Estate is actually located at Mbora district, which is behind Citec Estate along Airport Road. And also in this location area you can find the Turkish hospital, and it's also close to Idu industrial layout, and we also have the Karmo district market around in that area also. Well, this is actually very nice, and the road network to this estate is actually very nice. I know. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you inside the estate. I actually like the estate personally. They have nice houses here, brand new houses. I know the estate is not that too big, not that too small, and it has a very tight security. Even before I could enter this estate, I had to go through hell to convince the security guys that I really want to just video this estate because I really like it. Before they actually, to just cut the long story short, I'm inside and I'm showing you guys around how the estate looks like. And the only issue I have with the estate is just that the road network is actually not too cool like that. We have some rough patches here and there, but I think with time they'll be able to do that and all. So without further ado, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. guys, I think we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed what you saw, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification icon so as to get an update when I upload a new video. And if there's somewhere you want me to video, just put that on the comment section. I'll gladly do that for you guys. So see you guys some other time. Bye.